Hi. I just want to dispel a few rumors about this. First of all, I want to say thank you to everyone who's shown support for me, everyone who's offered me a house to live in, someone who has offered me their spare room. I really appreciate that. I just wanted to dispel all of those concerns about me being homeless. I'm not homeless, not at all. I'm living in a beautiful place in Durban, lots of sunshine. As you can see, I got my sunshiny hat. Washing clothes, which is good. It's physical work. This is, it's good for building up muscle tone and stuff. I'm happy. I'm fine. I'm good. I'm very happy. In fact, we actually have delivery service here, where they actually deliver quality food and the like. I'll have that one, please. We have free delivery service. Food and alcohol. Sorry. I'm fine. I just want everybody to know that I'm fine. I'm happy. I am living under a roof. I am not homeless. I'm enjoying the sun during the day. I'm enjoying the stars at night. So everything is fine. I'm happy. Everything is sweet and curry. Thank you for your support. You will hear from me again further about this whole issue, homeless issue, la-di-da. Thank you very much.
Sanbanani, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Mkosi Nokuphila. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for tuning in. Thank you very much. So ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe, like video, you share the video as well. So kule video guys, asikhulumeni ke ngomalomo uLuthuli Dlamini guys. I think ngayenza video lana ngayiposta ukuthi kuthiwa ke uLuthuli Dlamini is homeless. Angithi siyamazi uLuthuli Dlamini, the actor. The legendary actor, Umalume has been in the acting industry for quite long. So ke kwasukuvela ukuthi kuthiwa ke nango akanandawo yokuhlala ukubonakala ko Randburg endlini thizeni ehlala nje obhuti abangenandawo zokuhlala abadila ngale into zabo ama DRUG wathi ngase Randburg. Ngikho kwakubhalwe storyini. But ke ngoba umalume sewaziphendulela bafowethu, uLuthuli Dlamini posted a video le ozobona ngifakile in the beginning, which ukuthi ke after finding out ukuthi ke sekukhulunywa ngayo ya trend ukuthi ayibo this actor is now homeless, akananda yokuhlala ntoni. Umalume wathi angirecord i video ngibabonisa ukuthi angikho homeless, mina ngina indawo yokuhlala futhi ngiyawasha futhi nala ngihleli khona nje indawo e right ukuthi nje uma ufuna mhlawumbe ukudeliver something basideliverla. Angazi ke indawo ye delivery laphana ukuthi what was like malume, what was the point of the delivery guy? Oze nje ne trolley efani wazodeliver lapha lokudla. Kubonakala nje ukuthi malume angazi malume phela he's an actor bafowethu. Angimsoli because he's an actor. Wa make sure ukuthi actor yonke le ndaba. I mean the delivery guy comes and the trolley akuse iscooter ukuthi mhlambe malume order something bonisa ukuthi lana masifuna ipizza iyafika, masifuna igate kuzi i-trolley izo deliver the empty stuff. And I'm like malume hayi nalo delivery guy wakho. Okay, but anyways yenza le video malume wangihlekisa kakhulu bafowethu. Angihleki isimo sakhe sempilo, ngihleka nje the delivery man, like angikho right ukuthi what was the point, like what was the point malume ukuthi lo bhuti deliver, what was the point? Hey, angazi bafethu. I can see people talking about that clip a lot. Abantu bethu hawo futhi nje kunezimadazana la uhlala khona abona sisa benikayo lapha nabantu bekhuluma a whole lot of things. So yeah, abantu bathi when it comes to this clip, something is just not on, right? As for those who are saying malume ka deport abuyele kube zim, bafethu angicabangi mina ukuthi kuya deport umuntu illegal. I mean if ba deport it means you are illegal in the country. Hayi ukuthi ngoba usasebenza uya deport. That is just abantu nje bechoma nje bafethu ngoba bayazi ukuthi kuthiwa he's biologically Zimbabwean, something like that. People saying uma ngaseke indaba yakhe lana akahambe kuba bamdeport. Hayibo wakwakubona phi wena ku deport umuntu illegal bafethu? Akuzange kwathiwa ngoba usasebenza ushaya impilo so uya deport, cha. as long as you are legal then yenza lento oyibonayo angithi yabona ukuthi malume lapha uthi hey ke right mina futhi nje yabona la ngihleli khona there is a sunshine at night there are stars sibuka ama stars singazi ama stars babuka bese endlini noma bengaphandle at night hey umalume is something else, he's a whole mood buffet phela he's an actor. Ngiyabona yonke le into ukuthi umalume uthe ngizohlala angiboni nokuthi nale yandishi yokuwasha nje nguye bewasha lapha ivele wahlala wathi I'm gonna record a video ngizobe ngiwasha. Okay, ushuthi osisi bebe washa lapha malume athi muvani ngizohlala lana mina ke ebese ngiyawasha wena wetrole imangale ngizothi mase ngithi the delivery staff then yabona the wayambiza khona ngesandla athi we've got delivery like yo malume une drama sympathy. Anyways, he was addressing ama rumors ukuthi kuthiwa yena uhomeless akananda yokuhlala wathi uright nje yena abantu abekuzihlupha ngaye and la hleli khona ku right nabantu abadeliver bayafika ke kunabantu phila nabo ne room lapha uthe kuna uyabonga kulabo abamnikeza indawo yokuhlala iroom aphila kulo. Because guys kule video yami anti ngibe ngayiposta nangale engifaka khona ama videos ami esingisi ne Philile Barbara's Entertainment, that is my other channel. Kwaba khona umuntu on the comment section or commented on my video what guys please stop spreading fake rumors. What is happening is that we are doing a documentary. That's what the person said to me. Uthi senza a documentary uLuthuli Dlamini is not homeless or jobless, it's just a documentary and then sizothi masiqedile ngizo release a statement. So mina ngase ngiphendula kuleya comment ngathi okay fine mangabe ke seniqedile ngedocumentary leyo ne statement sengisibonile and then ngizokwenza enye ivideo ke if umalume is not homeless mhlambe mina sengicela mhlambe yonke lento vele baya actor bafethu mhlambe bambona le ka Randburg be actor besenza le documentary whatever but uyambona lana ukuthi no still umalume ngathi impilo imshayile akuseyiwena Luthuli Dlamini lobe simbona ko generations na group, you know what I mean, ko scandal wherever. So okusho khona ukuthi impilo yena ithe ukumshaya kodwa ukuphila uyaphila, right? Uright ke asazi njengoba abantu besho kuningi lapha na Twitter bahlekisa abantu ile clip the delivery man and the ladies kuvele nje kwalenga nje leza zakaphansi and all that bafethu abantu ka Twitter bakhuluma ngaloko. What about the sisters coming to collect izinto lapha? Mina I'm looking at the see when he's delivering le take away uyayisheka nje akuna next phakathi akuna fokol ibhodlela lika Pia akuna like malume what was the point of the delivery man? Mhlambe bezama ukuthi mufuna uku-order something even online you can order and then the delivery comes like ngihleli khona indawo right ukuthi siyadeliverwa nathi masifuni deliver like angazi man. But as for the trolley and the empty things, I am like malume uzongibulala yazi. But anyways, as long as he's okay, he's happy and yeah. Ukhona bethela asethembe akusuyo bewasha lamabra la athula horses. Akusunguyo benza kwaleya washing. Umalume nje he's acting. This is an actor and what ngizoba addresser. So this is what where I'm gonna sit. Ngizohlala la kube sengathi bengiyawasha and umngani wami wetroli naye uzoqhamuka ngapha and then osisi nabo amane beqhamuka lapha umalume sakhuluma angazi bafethu kuningi. But anyways umejabulile happy nathi siyabonga malume siyaxolisa ukuthi sithi homeless besizwile ukuthi homeless but anyways ubona ngathi uhleli nje ekhaya eli right uyaziphilela malume akunandaba ukuthi mhlambe iacting job ayikho kwamanje izotholakala sesiye sababona abantu beshaya impilo kodwa babuye futhi kuthiwe baye basizakala babizwa inkampani thizeni babuyela emsebenzini bayo actor bathola something, you know, naye something will come up. Uthanda kwake kanjena usengaba nenhlanhla omunye abuye ambize, you know, maybe another company or something is gonna come up for malume bakithi. Thank you so much uyibuka ivideo, like, subscribe, share, asibonane kwezelandela. Bye.